Our humble pranams at the lotus feet of our beloved Bhagwan Sri Sathya Sai Baba. Respected elders, brothers, and sisters, a very humble Sai Ram to all of you. We, Region 8, Scotland, would like to thank Bhagwan for giving us this wonderful opportunity to be part of the global and national Guru Purnima celebration. I shall now briefly outline the program for this evening. We shall begin with Vedam chanting, followed by bhajans. After the bhajans, we shall have a short poem recital by one of our Balvikas children entitled Our Sai, Our Universal Guru. Following this, there will be a short speech entitled How Can We Show Our Gratitude to Our Beloved Bhagwan in Our Day-to-Day Life? The program will conclude with one Om and three Shantis. Please kindly join us. Sai Ram.
गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेवि वाजिनीवती दीनामभित्रयवतु गणेशाय नमः सरस्वत्यै नमः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति।
ॐ तच्छंयोरावृणीमहे गातुं यज्ञाय गातुं यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वं जिगातु भेषजं शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे शं चतुष्पदे। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ सहस्रशीरुषा पुरुषः सहस्राक्षः सहस्रपात् स भूमिं विश्वतो वृत्वा अत्यतिष्ठद्दशाङ्गुलं पुरुष एवेदगुं सर्वं यद्भूतं यच्छ भव्यम् उतामृतत्वस्येषा नः यदन्नेनातिरोहति एतावानस्य महिमा अथोज्यायागश्च पूरुषः पादोऽस्य विश्वाभूतानि त्रिपादस्यामृतं दिवि त्रिपादोर्ध्व उदयत्पुरुषः पादोऽस्येहा भवात् पुनः ततो विश्वं व्यक्रामत् शासनानशने अभि तस्मात् विराडजायत विराजो अधिपुरुषः स जातो अत्यरिच्छत पश्चाद्भूमिमथो पुरः यत्पुरुषेण हविषा देवा यज्ञमतन्वत वसन्तो अस्यासीदाज्यम् ग्रीष्म इद्मः शरद्धविः सप्तास्यासन् परिधयः त्रिसप्तः समिधः कृताः देवा यद्यज्ञं तन्वानाः अबध्नन् पुरुषं पशुं तं यज्ञं बर्हिषिः प्रोक्षन् पुरुषं जातमग्रतः तेन देवा अयजन्त साध्या ऋषयश्च ये तस्मात् यज्ञात् सर्वहुतः संभृतं पृषदाज्यं पशुगुष्टागश्चक्रे वायव्यान् आरण्यान् ग्राम्याश्च ये तस्मात् यज्ञात् सर्वहुतः ऋचः सामानि जग्निरे छन्दागुंसि जग्निरे तस्मात् यजुस्तस्मादजायत तस्मादश्वा अजायन्त ये केचोभयादतः गावो हजग्निरे तस्मात् तस्माज्जाता अजावयः यत्पुरुषं व्यददुः कथिथा व्यकल्पयन् मुखं किमस्य कौ बाहु कावूरुपादावुच्येते ब्राह्मणोऽस्य मुखमासीत् बाहुराजन्यकृतः ऊरु तदस्य यद्वैश्यः पद्भ्यागुं शूद्रो अजायत चन्द्रमा मनसो जातः चक्षुः सूर्यो अजायत मुखादिन्द्रश्चाग्निश्च प्राणाद्वायुरजायत नाभ्या आसीदन्तरिक्षं शीर्ष्णौ समवर्तत पद्भ्यां भूमिर्धिशश्रोत्रात् तथा लोकागुम् अकल्पयन् वेदाहमेतं पुरुषं महान्तम् आदित्यवर्णं तमसस्तु पारे सर्वाणि रूपाणि विचित्य धीरः नामानि कृत्वा विवदन्यदास्ते दाता पुरस्ताद्यमुदा जहार शक्रः प्रविद्वान् प्रदिशश्च तस्रः तमेवं विद्वानमृत इह भवति नान्यः पन्था अयनाय विद्यते यज्ञेन यज्ञमयजन्त देवाः तानि धर्माणि प्रथमान्यासन् ते हनाकं महिमानः सचन्ते यत्र पूर्वे साध्या सन्ति देवाः अद्भ्यः सम्भूतपृथिव्यैरसाच्च विश्वकर्मणः समवर्तताधि तस्य त्वष्टा वितदध्रूपमेति तत्पुरुषस्य विश्वमाजानमग्रे वेदाहमेतं पुरुषं महान्तम् आदित्यवर्णं तमसः परस्तात् तमेवं विद्वानमृत इह भवति नान्यः पन्था विद्यते यनाय प्रजापतिश्चरति गर्भे अन्तः अजायमानो बहुधा विजायते तस्य धीराः परिजानन्ति योनिं मरीचीनां पदमिच्छन्ति वेधसः यो देवेभ्य आतपति यो देवानां पुरोहितः पूर्वो यो देवेभ्यो जातः नमो ऋचाय ब्राह्मये ऋचं ब्राह्मं जनयन्तः देवा अग्रे ततद्ब्रुवन् यस्त्वैवं ब्राह्मणो विद्यात् तस्य देवा असन्वशे ह्रीश्च ते लक्ष्मीश्च पत्न्यौ अहोरात्रे पार्श्वे नक्षत्राणि रूपम् अश्विनौ व्याप्तम् इष्टं मनिषाणा अमुं मनिषाणा सर्वं मनिषाणा तच्छंयोरावृणीमहे गातं यज्ञाय गातं यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वं जिगातु भेषजं शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे शं चतुष्पदे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
जातवेदसे सुनवामसो ममराति यतो निदहाति वेदः स नः परिषदति दुर्गाणि विश्वा नावेव सिन्धु दुरितात्यग्निः तामग्निवर्णां तपसा ज्वलन्तीं वैरोचनीं कर्मफलेषु जुष्टाम् दुर्गां देवीगुं शरणमहं प्रपद्ये सुतरसि तरसे नमः अग्ने त्वं पारयानभ्यो अस्मात् स्वस्ति विरति दुर्गाणि विश्वा पूश्च पृथ्वी बहुलान उर्वी भवातोकाय तनयाय संयोः विश्वानि नो दुर्गः जातवेदः सिन्धुं ननाव दुरितातिपर्षि अग्ने अत्रिवन्मनसा गृणानो अस्माकं बोध्यविता तनूनाम् पृतनाजितगुं सहमानमुग्रमग्निगुं हुवेम परमात् सदस्तात् स नः परिषदति दुर्गाणि विश्वा श्यामद्देवो अतिदुरितात्यग्निः प्रत्नोचिकमेड्यो अध्वरेषु सनाच होतानभ्यश्च सत्सि स्वाञ्च आग्ने तनुवं पिप्रयस्वास्मभ्यं च सोवगमायजस्व गोविर्जुष्टमयुजो निषिक्तं तवेन्द्रो विष्णु ननु सञ्चरेम नाकस्य पुष्टमभिसंवसानो वैष्णवीं लोकय्यमादयन्ताम् कात्यायनाय विद्महे कन्याकुमारी धीमहि तन्नो दुर्गी प्रचोदयात् ॐ शान्ति 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 नीलां देवीगुं शरणमहं प्रपद्ये गृणाहि घृतवती सवितराधिपत्यै पयस्वतीरन्तिराशानो अस्तु ध्रुवादिशां विष्णुपत्न्यगो राश्येशान सहसोऽयामनोता बृहस्पतिर्मातरिष्योत वायुसन्दुवानावात अभिनो गृह्णन्तो विष्टम्भो दिवो धरुण पृथिव्या अस्येशान जगतो विष्णुपत्नी ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
महागणपते नमोऽस्तु ते महागणपते नमोऽस्तु ते मातङ्गवदना नमोऽस्तु ते मातङ्गवदना नमोऽस्तु ते महागणपते नमोऽस्तु ते आदिपूजिता गणनाथ आदिपूजिता गणनाथ आनन्ददायक गणनाथ आनन्ददायक गणनाथ वन्दना प्रणवाकारा प्रथम वन्दना प्रणवाकारा विघ्नेश्वरा विनायका विघ्नेश्वरा विनायका महागणपते नमोऽस्तुते मातङ्गवरना नमोऽस्तुते महागणपते नमोऽस्तुते आदिपूजिता गणनाथ आनन्ददायक गणनाथ प्रथम वन्दना प्रणवाकारा विघ्नेश्वरा विनायका विघ्नेश्वरा विनायका महागणपते नमोऽस्तुते
गुरु कृपांजन पायु मेरे भाई राम बिना कछु जानत नाही गुरु कृपांजन पायु मेरे भाई राम बिना कछु जानत नाही गुरु कृपांजन पायु मेरे भाई अंतर राम ही बाहिर राम ही अंतर राम ही बाहिर राम ही जहाँ देखो तह राम ही जहाँ देखो तह राम ही गुरु कृपांजन पायु मेरे भाई राम बिना कछु जानत नाही गुरु कृपांजन पायु मेरे भाई जागत राम ही सोवत राम ही जागत राम ही सोवत राम ही सपने में देखो राजा राम ही सपने में देखो राजा राम ही गुरु कृपांजन पायु मेरे भाई राम बिना कछु जानत नाही गुरु कृपांजन पायु मेरे भाई एक जनार्दनी भावहिनी का एक जनार्दनी भावहिनी का जो देखो वो राम सरी का जो देखो वो राम सरी का गुरु कृपांजन पायु मेरे भाई राम बिना कछु जानत नाही गुरु कृपांजन पायु मेरे भाई राम बिना कछु जानत नाही गुरु कृपांजन पायु मेरे भाई
मानस भजो रे गुरुचरणम्
मानस भजो रे गुरुचरणम्
मानस भजो रे गुरुचरणम्
मानस भजो रे गुरुचरणम्
दुस्तर भवसागर तरणम्
अति दुस्तर भवसागर तरणम्
अति दुस्तर भवसागर तरणम्
अति दुस्तर भवसागर तरणम्
गुरु महाराज गुरु जय जय
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 साईनाथ सद्गुरु जय जय
सत्य साईनाथ सद्गुरु जय जय
सत्य साईनाथ सद्गुरु जय जय
सत्य साईनाथ सद्गुरु जय जय
ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमः ॐ
ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमः
ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमः ॐ
ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमः
अरुणाचल शिव अरुणाचल शिव अरुणाचल शिव अरुण शिवो
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 ओंकारं बाबा ओंकारं बाबा ओंकारं बाबा ओम नमो बाबा
ओंकारं बाबा ओंकारं बाबा ओंकारं बाबा ओम नमो बाबा
ओंकारं बाबा ओंकारं बाबा ओंकारं बाबा ओम नमो बाबा
ओंकारं बाबा ओंकारं बाबा ओंकारं बाबा ओम नमो बाबा
मानस भजो रे गुरुचरणम्
मानस भजो रे गुरुचरणम्
दुस्तर भवसागर तरणम्
अति दुस्तर भवसागर तरणम्
गुरु महाराज गुरु जय जय
गुरु महाराज गुरु जय जय
साईनाथ सद्गुरु जय जय
सत्य साईनाथ सद्गुरु जय जय
ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमः ओम
ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमः
अरुणाचल शिव अरुणाचल शिव अरुणाचल शिव अरुण शिवो
अरुणाचल शिव अरुणाचल शिव अरुणाचल शिव अरुण शिवो
ओंकारं बाबा ओंकारं बाबा ओंकारं बाबा ओम नमो बाबा
ओंकारं बाबा ओंकारं बाबा सुन्दरवदना सरसिजनयना
सुन्दरवदना सरसिजनयना
सुन्दरवदना सरसिजनयना
सुन्दरवदना सरसिजनयना
पार्थिपुरी भगवान्
पार्थिपुरी भगवान्
भजरे मनवा सद्गुरुदेवा
भजरे मनवा सद्गुरुदेवा
भजरे मनवा सद्गुरुदेवा
भजरे मनवा सद्गुरुदेवा
परम कृपालो साई महादेवा
परम कृपालो साई महादेवा
परम कृपालो साई महादेवा
परम
के शरण में आओ, मन मंदिर में दीप जलाओ, जीवन नैया पार लगाओ, जीवन नैया पार लगाओ, सदा निरंतर हरि गुण गाओ,
This is the way to God. Help ever, hurt never, size values to endeavor. Truth, morality, non-violence, value of love and peace. Fill your hearts with above and see in humanity decrease. Satya Sai Baba, as he is called, a mother, a teacher, a guru for all. Love in his heart, truth in his soul. He holds our hands when we need them most. He teaches us compassion. He teaches us forbearance. He helps us to stay calm in the weirdest of situations, setting an example of sharing and giving, forgiving and forgetting, and loving and caring. Baba, our Guru, our guide, our friend, we will love you always, every minute, every second.
Sai Ram to all of you. Now we come to the last part of the program, which is a short speech entitled How Can We Show Our Gratitude to Our Beloved Swami in Our Day-to-Day Life? Respected elders, brothers and sisters, we have been very fortunate and very blessed to have the darshan of Swami, sparshan and sambhashan over all these years. We have been basking under his divine love over all these years. Now, we have to ask ourselves, how can we show our gratitude to our beloved Bhagwan, who has been with us, showering his love, playing with us, joking with us, teaching us, guiding us, and protecting us. Let us first ask ourselves, who is this Swami? Our Swami, who has been with us, is verily the Lord of the universe. By his mere presence, by his mere will, the earth is rotating and revolving, the sun is shining, the wind is blowing, the galaxies are evolving and moving. He is verily the omnipotent, omnipresent, and omniscient Lord. This very Lord, who is the Lord of the universe, is also residing in all beings. He is the indweller or the antarayami within all of us. He is the power source to this body, the senses, the mind, and the intellect. Without Swami, these will not function. So the first message I would like to convey is that Swami is the Lord of the universe. Swami is all around us. Swami is beside us. Swami is with us. Swami is resident within our hearts. He is within us, residing in our hearts. Now, if Swami is residing within our hearts, then how can we experience him? How can we experience his divine love once again? To do that, let us see what we do in our day-to-day life. Most of us, we use our senses, the body, and the mind and go after the outer world. We look outwards. We go after this world, which is like chasing a mirage in a desert. We will never get permanent happiness in this impermanent world. To realize and experience Swami, we have to channel our senses and the mind within and look within and focus within, and then we will get permanent bliss, permanent happiness, and illumination. How do we do that? When we first get up in the morning, we have to say, Swami, today I am born this morning. I am alive. That means you are still residing in my heart. You are giving me one more opportunity to get closer and closer to you. And then we fold our palms, bend our head, and offer our salutations to the Lord. The 5 fingers of the right hand and the 5 fingers of the left hand represent our 5 outer senses and the 5 inner senses. And when we bend down, we offer the body, the senses, and the mind at the lotus feet of the Lord. And we should pray, Swami, these senses, the body, and the mind has been gifted to me by you. I offer them at your lotus feet. I shall use the senses, the sense of hearing, to listen to your divine, beautiful voice. I shall use these eyes to see your majestic, beautiful, charming, ever-loving form. I shall use the mind you have given me to contemplate on your glory, your majesty, and your divinity. And I completely surrender to you, Swami. I shall use the hands and the feet you have given me to do the seva and dedicate all activities at your lotus feet. So the second message I would like to convey is surrender, surrender, surrender the body, the mind, and the senses at the lotus feet of Bhagavan. When we keep practicing this in our day-to-day life, we become very close and close to Swami. We will slowly start feeling his presence. We feel as though we are living in Prashantinilayam with Swami all the time. Now, having gone closer and closer to God, the next thing we should do is we should become dear to Swami to win his grace. How can we win his? How can we become dear to Swami? How can we win his grace? To become dear to Swami, we have to do 3 things. First, we should lead a very righteous life. 2, we should love all and serve all. 3, we should serve all. Swami is the embodiment of Dharma, is the embodiment of Prema. When we lead a righteous life, Swami really is very pleased. We may not get what we want in life. We may go through many tribulations in life, but as long as we lead a righteous life, his grace and protection will always be there in this life and in the next life. Second, we should love all. Swami is resident in all beings, not only human beings. So we should not hurt any birds or animals. We should shower love and we should look after them. He is also resident in all the plants and this creation, and we should look after this creation. We should respect the creation and we should not harm this nature. Next is we should love and serve all. Service does not mean seva activities alone. All worldly activities are also seva activities. We should respect this body and we should serve this body and keep it fit. We should look after our parents, our family, our friends, our relatives, and all the people in the community that we live in, because we are part of the society. And we should serve all beings, all creatures, all living beings that we come across in our day-to-day life. When we follow these three principles, then we become very dear to Swami. So the third message I would like to convey is that we should lead a righteous life, we should love all, and we should serve all. When we do these, that is, when we become close to Swami, when we become very dear to Swami, then Swami, who is residing within us, will shower his darshan, will shower his grace, and give us the liberation that we are all longing for. I would like to conclude this speech, and I would like to thank our national chair and Satyasai Organization UK for giving us this opportunity to participate in this global event. I would like to conclude with one Om and three Shantis. Thank you all for listening. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.